पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय चतुर्थ ब्राह्मण मैत्रेयी ब्राह्मण, पेज नंबर 573। भगवान भाष्यकार has taken up sannyasa as the anga of Brahma Vidya. See Bhashya, second paragraph. Asya Brahma Vidyayaha means Asyayaha Brahma Vidyayaha Angatvena Sannyaso Vidhitsitaha. Sannyasa Vidhanam is Brahma Vidya Anga. Sannyasa means Bhagavan Bhashyakar is a staunch proponent of sannyasa. You will see in his bhashya, sannyasa will come always in Brahma Vidya topic. Viditsitaha. Viditsitaha. What is the dhatu?
Vidhadatu. Vidhane.
Vidhane dhatu. How? Then what will happen? Vidhane dhatu, if you do san pratyaya, then it will become?
Vividhisha.
No. It will become vidhe. Vividhe it will become. Dudhaye is the dhatu. Dudhaye dharana poshana yoho. Then for dha to become dhi, what is the sutra? Is pratyaya should come. Sani, when sun comes, sani mi ma dhura rabha labha shakapata padam acha is. So dha will become dhi. And then abhyas se charcha, so abhyas lopa. And then this sakara should become takara. Another sutra is there. So this Sani Mi Maghu is 7454. And Sahasya Ardha Dhatu. Sahasya Ardha Dhatu Ke. So that is the sutra 7449. That sutra will do Sakara se Takara. So this will become Dhit. In this way, Vidhitsyate Shabda will come. Tika. Kimiti sannyaso vidhitsyate कर्मणैव विद्या लाभादि लाभात इति आशंक्या है. Now in the Ishkarma Siddhi you have studied some of these. So original ideas you can think of them from here. But of course Sureshwaracharya ji has his own because his background is of Karma Kanda. So he can think in so many other ways of how somebody would apply karma. So why there is sannyasa vidhanam? Somebody is asking. Why? Because karmana moksha is possible or karmana vidya is possible. Vidya labhat iti ashankya hai. Jaya putra vittadi lakshanam panktam karma avidya vishayam. Yasman न आत्म प्राप्ति साधनम। जाया पुत्र वित्त आदि लक्षणम दिस पांक्तम, इट इज पांक्तम कर्म अविद्या विषयम। पांक्तम कर्म अविद्या विषयम। यस्मात्, since पांक्तम कर्म जाया पुत्र means all of these, they are part of avidya vishaya only. They are not for atma prapti. Na atma prapti sadhana. Avidya vishayam shabda is given in the bhashya. So Tigakar gives the vigraha. Avidya vishaya eva vishayo yasya iti vigraha. Avidya vishaya eva vishayo yasya iti avidya vishaya. हम अविद्या विषयम, और कर्म इज नपुंसकलिंग, देयरफॉर अविद्या। हाँ, अविद्यायाः विषय एव विषयो यस्य। अविद्यायाः विषय, और इफ यू पुट दैट आल्सो टुगेदर इट बिकम अविद्या विषय एव विषयो यस्य इति अविद्या विषय। सो इन दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू नोट, टिप्पणीज आर देयर, वन इज कार्यम, अनदर इज फलम। अविद्यायाः कार्यम एव फलम, दैट विल बिकम द विग्रह। अविद्यायाः विषय एव विषयो। If you do samasta pada of this vigraha, avidyayaha vishaya samasta pada will become avidya vishaya, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
And then avidya vishaya eva vishayo yasya, then samasta pada will be
Avidya Vishaya.
avidya vishaya vishaya, it will become. Because you, if you do karma dharaya, neelam eva utpalam, if you say, if that is the vigraha, neelam eva utpalam, so samasta pada will be Nilotpalam. So avidyaya vishaya eva vishayo, if you do, then the samasta pada will be avidya vishaya vishaya. But the provision is there in this samasa. There is a drishtanta. Uscha 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 iti vaha. Vaha kalo yasya kalo iva. Right? That is the u kalo ह्रस्व स्व अच ह्रस्व स्व दीर्घ प्लुतः, ह्रस्व दीर्घ प्लुतः, ऊश्च 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 वः, वां काल इव कालो यस्य. So there वां काल इव काल it is given. But there it is iva. Here we have eva. So there also, where it is given iva, in karma dharaya also, this sutra we should apply. Means this kind of vyutpatti. Then you will have this avidyaya vishaya eva vishayo yasya. Iti vigraha. Avidya vishaya. If you apply avidyayaha karyam, avidyayaha karyam kim? Karma. Eva vishayo phalam. So karma, which is avidya karya, that karma itself is going to be the phalam, yasya, means as part of the prarabdha. So then it will become avidyaya vishaya eva vishayo yasya. This is the vigraha. Therefore, it is not atma prapti sadhanam. That's what he says. Tasmat sannyaso viditsita iti purvena sambandha. Therefore, sannyas vidhanam is there. Because karma and atma has no sambandha. Nanu prakritam. See, when they say karma, really what they mean is Vaidika karma. That if you do this anushtanam, that anushtanam, something, you will not get atma. If a person says, I am doing all this because my rajoguna is too much, tamoguna is too much, I have to reduce that so that I know I have to do shravanam. I am doing shravanam, but it is not working because of my rajoguna. Shravanam is not working because that sadhanam is wrong, is not right. Means it's not correct. Sadhanam is that only. I don't have enough sadhana chatushtaya. Therefore, I am doing some other upasana or I am doing these other activities only so that I can do this slowly more and more. Then it is okay. Nanu prakritam karma avidya vishayam api kim iti atmajnanam tadarthyena anushthyamanam na upanyayati tatra aha. Okay, you say karma is avidya vishayam. Prakritam karma avidya vishayam api kimiti atmajnanam tadarthyena anushthyamanam. Tadarthyena anushthyamanam means if karma is swargyarthyena anushtyamana, then karma will give you swarga. If karma atma jnana tadarthyena anushtyamana means atma jnanartha, if it is performed. If I perform karma for atma jnana, if I perform karma for swarga, I will get swarga. If I perform karma for atma jnanam, I should get atma jnanam. So tadarthyena anushthyamanam karma kim atmajnanam na upanayati. This is how you have to do anvaya. Tadarthyena anushthyamanam karma kim atmajnanam na upanayati tatraha anya sadhanam hi anyasmai phala sadhanaya prayujyamanam pratikulam bhavati. If you have different sadhana for some different purpose, then you will get pratikula phala. Prayujyamanam pratikulam bhavati. How? Means if this vakya doesn't become clear, anya sadhanam hi anyasmai phala sadhanaya prayujyamanam pratikulam bhavati. If I don't understand, he says tadeva drashtantena spashtayati. Nahi bubhuksha pipasa nivrityartham dhavanam gamanam va sadhanam. If I am hungry and I want to remove my hunger, and somebody says, what you do? You run. Dhavanam. So dhavanam is not bubhuksha nivrityartham. Or gamanam is not bubhuksha or pipasa nivrityartham. They are not the sadhana. So this also we should understand. If somebody says, I am studying Vedanta, nothing is happening for me. So another shravanam is your sadhana. You don't say because it is not happening, therefore I will take karma as the sadhana. Karma sadhanam is for swargadi. And you cannot say, let's have jnanam as the sadhanam for swarga. Jnanam is not sadhanam for swarga and karma is not sadhanam for moksha. This should be clear. Panktasya, so you can see here all the Vartikas are quoted because Bade Maharaj Ji is also, everybody is fond of this section. Panktasya manushya pitruloka devaloka sadhanatvena hi putradi sadhanani shrutani. Pankta is for manushya loka, pitruloka, devaloka sadhana. Sadhanatvena putradi. Putradi are sadhana. Manushya loka, pitruloka, devaloka are phalam, sadhya. No, I'm reading differently. Panktasya कर्मणो अन्य साधनत्वम कथम साधनत्वम एव कथम अधिगतम. पांक्त कर्म is sadhanam for something other than atma jnanam. How do you say that? How do you know? So Bhashya says panktam is for manushya loka, pitruloka, devaloka, sadhya, and that panktam is the sadhanam like putradi. मनुष्य लोक पितृलोक देवलोक साधनत्वेन ही पुत्रादि साधनानि श्रुतानि न आत्म प्राप्ति साधनत्वेन. ठीक है. सो ही क्लैरिफाइज इट. सोयम मनुष्य लोकः पुत्रेणैव जय्यः कर्मण पितृलोको विद्या देवलोक इति विशेषितत्वम्. मनुष्य लोकः पुत्रेण एव जय्यः. Jayyaha, yesterday I already asked you. Shaya Jayyo Shakyarthe. Manushya Loka, you will get through Putra. Jayyaha, Jayyaha means what? Jetum Shakyaha. Shaya Jayyo Shakyarthe. Shakya Artha. Jetum Shakyaha. Karmana Pitruloko. Jetum Shakyaha. Through karma, you will get Pitruloka. Vidyaya means Upasanaya Devaloka. Iti Visheshitatvam. श्रुतत्वम एवं विशेषितत्व उक्ति द्वारा स्फुटीकृतम इति चकारेण द्योत्यते. What is given in Shruti, that alone is made clear here. स्फुटीकृतम by भगवान भाष्यकार. विशेषितत्वाच्च. टीका. ननु, now this tip 9 number पूर्व पक्ष सी in टिप्पणी. संन्यासम अनिच्छुः समुच्चयवादी शंकते. So there are enough people who don't want sannyas. I mean, they are comfortable with their whatever lifestyle and all, and at the same time they want moksha also. So is this sannyasam aniच्छुः samuccayavadi shankate. Nanu Brahma, and that's why many people don't study Shankara Bhashya. Because every time you study Shankara Bhashya, this prasanga will come and then you will have to face it. So this is, without Bhashya I will explain. Easy. Nanu Brahma Vidya Swafale Vihitam Karmapekshate श्रौत साधनत्वाद दर्शादिवत. ब्रह्म विद्या स्वफले विहितम कर्म अपेक्षते. ब्रह्म विद्या for its phalam, some karma apeksha it has, and therefore you will have to do karma. Therefore you cannot take karma sannyas. That's what his idea is. Why? Because it is a shrauta sadhana. Brahma Vidya is given in Shruti, like Jyotishtomadi are given in Shruti. They expect karma. Brahma Vidya will also expect some karma. Like Darshadivat, Darsha Purnamasa Ityadi. So, as a part of that, they expect karma. Phalajanakatvam is there. See 10 number tippani. तेषां ही सांगानाम एव फलजनकत्वम इति तानि प्रयाजादिकम अंग कर्म अपेक्षन्ते. प्रयाजादिकम कर्म अपेक्षा इज देयर. तथा च समुच्चयात् न कर्म संन्यास सिद्धि. अतः therefore some karma samuchaya you will have to do. For karma samuchaya then you cannot take sannyasa. न कर्म संन्यास सिद्धि. कर्म संन्यास सिद्धि will not happen. भाष्य. न च ब्रह्मविदो विहितानि काम्यत्व श्रवणात् एतावान् वै काम. न च ब्रह्मविदो विहितानि काम्यत्व श्रवणात् एतावान् वै काम इति. ब्रह्मविदः विहितानि न च ब्रह्मविदः. You should read this way. न च ब्रह्म विहितानि काम्यत्व श्रवणात् एतावान् वै काम. न च ब्रह्मविदः विहितानि. स्वल्प विराम देर आफ्टर विहितानि. न च ब्रह्मविदः विहितानि काम्यानि कर्माणि. बाय काम्यत्व श्रवणात् एतावान् वै काम. The one who has kamana, that person has to do karma, not for jnani. Third number tippani. ब्रह्मविद विहितानि कर्माणि न. कर्माणि ब्रह्मविदः न विहितानि. Then 4 number tippani. कर्मणा कामना विषयत्व श्रवणात्. काम्यत्व श्रवणात् means karma is for those people who have kama. Kamyatva, if you have kamana, you have to do all those things. So in Brihadaranyaka, if you remember, 4:4, 4th chapter, Chaturtha Brahmana, mean those who have studied Anubhuti Prakasha, they should probably remember. In that, how it is given, Shariraka Brahmana. After Swayam Jyotir Brahmana, Shariraka Brahmana. In Shariraka Brahmana, 4:4:5, up to that, there is discussion on person who has kamana, his gati. So it is like that old cart with lot of stuff there, and so many instruments are there. Somehow it is making noise and it is moving from one place to another. Old gadi. So it makes all this noise. So slowly it is going to stop, we know. Then it will take whatever is required as part of prarabdha, that jiva will go to the another sharira. Again, it will unpack. Like how somebody moves from one place to another. So in the cart, they put everything. And they go to another place, they unload, unpack, and start working. Like that, that is the drishtanta given. And then it says, etavan vai kama. There, how it is given, itinu kamayamana. That is how it is given there. Itinu kamayamana. Here it is given etavan. This is 1:4:17. Up to here only is kama. Kamaitavyo vishaya. Iti. Tika. So what did Siddhanti say? For a jnani, karma is not prescribed. Brahmavidaha na karmani. So somebody will say, okay, Brahma jnani, no karma. Total ajnani, karma. What about vividishu? So there is no vidhanam for a vividisha. If you are using Shruti to support your point, I want to know if there is a Shruti for somebody who has vividisha, can he take sannyas? For vividisha utpatti, you have to do karma, that also we have Shruti. Yajna dana tapa Shruti there. Those who have vividisha, should they drop the karma or should they continue the karma? So in this, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given his matam. They should drop the karma, then only they will proceed faster. Because that kartrutva, that samuchaya, that I am studying also, and I am also doing all the laukika karma ityadi, then I will not be able to do or have jnana nishtha, because samuchaya is not accepted. That will be the next topic. टीका कर्मणां काम्यत्वे अपि ब्रह्मविदस्तानि न स्युः इति आशंका. Okay, karma is for some kamya vishaya, but why can't brahmagyani not do karma? Brahmagyani also can do karma. He says brahmavidasya apta kamatvat. Apta kamasya kama anupapattehe. Brahmagyani is apta kama. Apta kamatvat apta kamatvat akama. That's why kama anupapatte. This is how it is given there also. In 4, 5 or 6. So he became Atma Kama, therefore he became Apta Kama, therefore he becomes Akama. Itasya tasya putradi sadhana anupapattihi. And for this reason also, he will not have putradi sadhana. Because yesham no ayam atma ayam loka iti cha shrutehe. Because according to Shruti, he says, yesham naha. Those who are like us, those who want this Atma itself is their loka. They don't want Putra loka, Manushya loka, Deva loka. They want Atma loka. So for Atma loka, there is no karma. And therefore they don't need dhanas, putradi sadhana. Tika. Now Bhagavan Bhashyakar, samuchaya paksham anubhashya shruti virodhena dushayati. This samuchaya paksham anubhashya. Anubhashya means having defined. Uktva or vyakhyaya. Samuchaya paksham vyakhyaya. Shruti virodhena dushayati. But this samuchaya paksha has Shruti virodha. Therefore there is dosha in it. Kechit tu ब्रह्मविदो अपि एषणा संबंधम वर्णयन्ति तैर बृहदारण्यकम न श्रुतम. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, those people who say Brahmagyani also can have some Eshana Sambandha, mean they have to do karma. Eshana Sambandha means in this context you should understand. Brahmavido api Eshana Sambandham Varnayanti. Taihi Brahadaranyakam na Shrutam. Means those people who say Samuchaya. He is Jnani, so let him be Jnani, but he should do karma. Taihi Brahadaranyakam na Shrutam. They have not heard Brahadaranyaka Upanishad yet. So all these prakranas don't come in other Upanishads. These are only in Brahadaranyaka. Shruti Virodham eva sporayati. What is the Shruti Virodha? Putradi Eshananam Avidvad Vishayatvam. Putradi Eshana, somebody has Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana, Avidvad Vishayatvam. Means Avidwan Vishayo Yesham, In other words, he is ajnani. अविद्वद विषयत्वं श्रुतं तत् प्रकरणे तेषाम् उपदेशात् इति शेषः. अविद्वद विषयत्वं श्रुतं तत् प्रकरणे. When putradi etc., it is all part of avidya sutra. So they explained, and therefore it is very clear all this putrena ayam loka, pitruloka, devaloka, all of that is for ajnani. Avidvad vishayatvam. Kim prajaya karishyamo करिष्याम इति अत आरभ्य येषां नो अयम आत्मा अयम लोक इति च विद्या विषये श्रुतम इति योजना. On the other hand, when the person says, what will we do with progeny? He says, you progeny, you will get manusya loka. Then you can do karma, he will do karma. Then after you depart, he will do shraddha, you will get pitru loka. I don't want. No, then Devaloka, Brahmaloka. No, I don't want. No, I don't want means I am happy having some sweets here and chatpat here. Not that. Then that means you don't have Shraddha in Swargadi Loka and you don't have patience. Then when I will get some Sukham, here only let me have something and be done with. Kim praja karishyama iti ata arabhya. So this person says, we don't need praja because we don't need this loka. Yesham naha ayam atma iti cha vidya vishaye shrutam iti yojana. All of this is vidya vishaye shrutam iti yojana. Esha vibhagah shrutya kutastai tai taihi visarga should be there. Samuchayavadibhihi. By these Samuchayavadins, na shruta iti sambandha. This vibhaga is very clear. Why but this vibhaga comes only in Brihadaranyaka. So they have not heard this. So it is very clear they don't know that when there is a topic of Putra, Pitruloka, Devaloka, all of that is avidya vishaya. And when there is discussion of someone to whom it is said, why don't you do? He says, Kim Praja Karishyama, it is for somebody who is virakta. So Samuchayavadis have not heard these things. न केवलम श्रुति विरोधादेव समुच्चय असिद्धि किंतु युक्ति विरोधाच्च. सो नाउ श्रुति विरोध देन युक्ति विरोध. व्हाट इज द युक्ति विरोध? सो युक्ति विरोधात् समुच्चया सिद्धि. भाष्य. Second line we have to see. Vidya विषये च येषां नो अयम आत्मा अयम लोक इति अतः किम प्रजया करिष्याम इति एष विभागस् तैः न श्रुतः श्रुत्या कृतः. तैः श्रुत्या न श्रुतः कृतः means by they have not done the shravanam of the shruti vakyas. The shruti vakyas. Shrutya shrutah न कृतः. सर्व क्रियाकारक फलोपमर्द स्वरूपायांच विद्यायां सत्यां सह कार्येण अविद्याया अनुपपत्ति लक्षणश्च विरोधस् तैर न विज्ञातो व्यासवाक्यम. by these people, those who say that Vidya, what Vidya will do, Sarva Kriya Karaka Phala Upamarda. This Naishkarmya Siddhi, first chapter, 67 shloka. After those two Purva Pakshas, Ahani Ahani Dragya Sakalena Aham Brahmasmi, etc. And Ganga Srotovat Aham Brahmasmi, two Purva Pakshas. Mandana and Brahma Bhatta. Brahma Bhatta and Mandana, these two Purva Pakshas were given. Brahma Datta, I think. There, that 67th shloka, what did he say? Those who are memorizing Sakrit Pravritya Mridnati Kriya Karaka Rupa Bhrit. So you see exactly the same words are given. Kriya Karaka Rupa means Kriya Karaka Phala, etc. Sakrit Pravritya Mridnati. Upamarda Swarupa. Vidya, what it will do? Kriya Karaka Phala Upamardanam. In one attempt. After that, Brahma Jnanam has come. After that, now Kriya Karaka Phala Bheda will not remain for that Jnani. Upamarda Swarupayam cha Vidyayam Satyam Saha Karyena Saha Avidyayaha Anupapatti Lakshanascha Virodha. Avidya and Avidya Karya, Karma Adi, it cannot have Samuchaya with Vidya. When Vidya is there, other things cannot come. Why? There is Virodha. So, and Anupapatti Lakshana. Anupapatti means its Upapatti itself is not possible. So, this is the Virodha. Taihi na Vijñato Vyasa Vakyam cha Tairna Shrutam. Sorry, you have to read this way. Anupapatti Lakshanasya Virodhas Tairna Vijñataha, comma. Swalpa Viram, in Sanskrit it is not there, but it helps in splitting the Vakya. So, Taihi Virodha na Vijñato, Taihi Vyasa Vakyam na Shrutam. They two Vakya. They have not recognized this Virodha. They have not heard Bhagavan Veda Vyasa's Vakya. This is the Vakya that they are quoted down. See Tika. द्वितीयश् चकारो अवधारणार्थो नया संबध्यते. Anupapatti Lakshanascha, that this Chakara, first Chakara is there earlier. Sarva Kriya Karaka Phalopamarda Swarupayancha, that is one. Then Anupapatti Lakshanascha. So the Dvitiyash Chakaro is for Avadharana. Naya Sambadhyate, that Taihi na Virodha eva Vijñata is for Avadharana. Neither Virodha they have recognized, nor Vyasa Vakya. Smriti Virodhacha Samuchaya Asiddhirityaha. Smriti Virodha is there, Bhagavan Vedvyaji's Vakya. Tatra Prathamam Purvoktam Yukti Virodham Sputayati. Yukti Virodha is given in the next line in the Bhashya. Karma Vidya Swarupayoho Vidya Vidyatmakayoho Pratikula Vartanam Virodha. What is the Virodha? This is the Virodha. Karma Vidya Swarupayoho Vidya Vidyatmakayoho. They are Virodhi. Hetu Swarupa Karyam. They are different for both of them. Therefore, Samuchaya is not possible. So this Mimamsa we did in Ishavasya. Hetu Swarupa, where this Vidyancha, Vidyancha, this Prakarana comes. There we have done. Anand Giriji has explained. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, this Samuchaya topic will come. It has not come yet, right? It will come. So there again, we will see this. There is Virodha. Those who just want, they can look at it later. There is a table given for this. Samprati Smriti Virodham Sporayati. Now Smriti Virodha he gives. Yadidam Veda Vachanam Kuru Karma Tyajeti Cha Kangatim Vidyaya Yanti Kancha Gachanti Karmana Etadvai Shrotumichhami Tad Bhavan Prabhavitu Me Etavanyonnya Vairupye Vartete Pratikulataha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavat Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.